Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe some credit score mistakes that newcomers generally make in Canada. So this video is for newcomers. If you're a newcomer or you are about to be, make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is a very important topic, okay? Because your credit score in Canada is like your financial reputation, an image that financial institutions see even before going into your detailed application. Without it, you cannot easily rent a house, get a car loan, or qualify for a mortgage when you buy a house. Many newcomers think, I never had debt back home, so I am financially strong. But Canada doesn't see your foreign credit history. So here are the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1, not applying for a credit card early. Yes, that's true. So when you arrive, you should apply for a secured or newcomer credit card from a major bank. Waiting 1 to 2 years delays your credit history significantly. Mistake number 2, using more than 30% of your credit card limit. That's not good. If your limit is 1000, don't spend more than 300 before paying it off, because high utilization actually lowers your credit score. Mistake number 3, missing even one payment and sometimes unknowingly. Don't do that. Set up auto payments, guys. Payment history is the biggest factor. Even one late payment can hurt your score badly. Now, mistake number 4 is closing your first credit card too soon after they get the second card. No, guys. Credit history matters, and keep your oldest credit account active. If you're not satisfied with the credit card, maybe it comes with a fee or something or high interest rate, you can switch to another one. That will help. Okay. Do not apply too many credits quickly, because every time a hard check is done, it's going to hit your score. Okay. And remember, your credit score is tracked by agencies like Equifax and TransUnion here in Canada. So now, to how to build these fast, like always pay full balance before the due date. Keep your utilization low. Avoid unnecessary inquiries. Now, some of the organizations like in insurance and all, they do soft check. So that's fine. That's not going to hit. Monitor your report yearly. And I would say like monitor your credit as frequently as you can. Okay. And this is how you can save and you can maintain your credit history for better outcomes later in your life. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.